Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about 10 online businesses that you can start right now. So how did I come up with this idea? Well, a loyal subscriber, I didn't even know that I have loyal subscribers, messaged me and she was like, I want to start a business, but I don't know where to start from. And she wants to start an online business, but she's a bit unsure about what she wants to do, which direction she wants to take. So I'm going to be presenting today 10 online businesses that you can start right now. Some of them I'm using myself, and there is a huge learning curve for some of them. So you have to learn how it works, learn how to do it. And on my blog, I have done I wouldn't say concise, but I've outlined a bit of how to do it and platforms that you can go and find content that will teach you how to do some of these online businesses. So the first one on my list is probably the most popular of them all, and it's to start a blog and monetize that blog. So you can always start a blog on Google Blogger, or you can start on Wix or WordPress. On my website, I have suggested some places where you can start your blog. I know it's not as easy as said to start a blog. Some people don't know where to start. But if you would like to know how to start a blog or how I have started my 2 blogs, then leave a link in the comment section and I will outline that for you. Next on the list is start an e-commerce store. So an e-commerce store we see all the time online. It's where you go, you buy, you pay, and you get your goods, right? You can do this in various ways. You can do drop shipping, or you can stock the goods, keep them in a storage location, and then ship them out as requested. Platforms you can use are like Shopify. Most websites have a shop feature, so you can have a look at different websites and see what your preferences are. If you have a bigger store, then you will need facilities for that. I'll leave all these information on my blog so you can go and have a look. Right, number 3 is to be an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is basically promoting someone else's product or service on your website or on your platform, whatever platform you have. You can do affiliate marketing on social media, so your Facebook, Instagram. You can do it on your blog, your website. You can do it even on YouTube. Yes, you can do affiliate marketing on YouTube. There are strategies though. There are strategies that you need to use to maximize your leads and to get people clicking and buying, but it is a great way to make money. So because I value transparency, I'm going to tell you this. On my website, those links to the different courses, they are actually affiliate links. If you would like to know how to become an affiliate marketer or how to sign up for different possibilities, let me know in the comment section and I'll do a video just for you. Another great way to make money online that is oftentimes overlooked is writing. So you can write for different blogs or just random people who are looking for ghostwriters, and you can make money. Paper Post is a good platform to look into, and Textbroke. So I don't have affiliate links to these, but you can have a look. It's on me. Okay, so that's number 4. Number 5 is host a webinar. Now, I've never hosted a webinar, and I don't think I'll ever will in the near future, but I've seen a lot of people host webinars. Probably you want to look into that. If you think you have valuable skills and knowledge that other people can use, you may want to look into hosting your own webinar. On my website, you will find a link or links to different platforms on which you can set up your webinar. Number 6, which is kind of my favorite because I'm doing it right now, is become a YouTuber. Now, a lot of people do not notice this, but being a YouTuber is a business. Well, for me anyways, I treat my YouTube channel as a business. It's not necessarily how many adverts I have running because I'm not monetized on YouTube, but it's creating that audience. My YouTube channel gives me business contacts. Also, as you can see, I'm kind of we spoke about figuring out what your audience need. I'm kind of in that stage with my channel at the moment. So if you look on other videos, I'm doing cooking, I'm doing travel stuff. So I'm in that phase of figuring out what you guys would like to see. There are, of course, other platforms that are competitors to YouTube, but I will not mention them in this video out of respect for YouTube. Next on the list, number 7, is create a digital product. Now, this is also something I'm working on, but it's not as easy as we think. It's a way to gain passive income, because when you have that digital product, you can sell it wherever in the world, but it's quite a complicated process to put everything together. Again, you need to identify your niche, and you need to figure out what do they need, what do my customers or my clients or my potential clients need, and create something for them. So a digital product, an example of a digital product is a course, a hair care course, for example, or a course on how to be a social media marketer, you know, something like this. If you have that skill and you can put pen and paper together and create a nice presentation, that's money. That's money for you. There's a platform called Teachable that you can create your online courses on. And there's another one called Udemy. Is it Udemy? It's Udemy. That's also on my website. There's a link to it. If you go to it, you can go directly to Udemy. On these two platforms, you can create and promote your digital product. Number 8 is an ebook. So long gone the days when you spend hours to write your book, or not even hours, you spend months, years to write your book, only for it to be rejected by publishers. Long gone those days. Now you have Amazon self-publishing. You have so many options, guys. You can write your little book. If it's a child's book, short story, whatever the type is, you can write and self-publish. Another like super duper way to make money online is being a social media marketer or social media consultant. There are small businesses who are doing very well with small amount of employees and need stuff like this to be done. And they use their resources for different things and outsource, for example, social media management and marketing. That's a very good way to earn money. That's also one way I use to earn a bit of money. I mean, we all have social media. We all have Facebook, Instagram. These social media platforms have two faces, you know? It can be your personal social platform, and it can also work as a business. Most businesses have a presence on social platform, and you can be one of the consultants who manage it for them. But these things require training. You need to be trained. You need to know how. You need to know what tools to use. You need, in some cases, a little bit of coding experience, but you can learn it. There's nothing that's impossible. Like before, you'd think, oh no, only a developer can do that, only a coder can do that. But today, there is a course for everything, and you can find some of these courses on my website. And finally for today, you can offer online tutoring. This is a little bit different from, let's say, a webinar. So a tutor is usually just presenting what's in the syllabus. It's not rocket science. The most difficult part is to figure out which platforms to use, and that you can find online. Online, how to become a French tutor, how to become an English tutor, how to become a German tutor. And you can sign yourself up, market yourself, and start earning. So guys, thank you so much for joining me for this. And let me tell you, they sound easy, and they are easy when you get the hang of it. They're not difficult, but you need to learn. There is a huge learning curve, especially if you're not digitally savvy and you need to learn like from really basic. But guess what? You can do it. Designate some time, find some courses, and certify yourself, and then you can offer these services to someone who need it. Let me tell you, we are 7+ billion people in the world, and we have never had access to the internet like we do today. So guys, use it to your advantage. There's one thing to note as well, that these businesses work together very well. So you can focus on one of these businesses and make it your living, or you can have multiple income streams, which is what I would suggest. So if one fails, you have another one. But figure out what's best for you, what works for you, what would work for the people you want to serve, and then go ahead and create your online business. I hope you can find a business idea in the list that I've provided, and I hope that you will be successful with your venture. And guys, before I leave, don't forget to hop on over to my website. I'll leave it in the description box, and you can go and read a little bit more in detail about each of these online businesses and the opportunities they present. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time with another business video. Bye.